In this video, I am going to show you how to install Notepad++ on Windows. This should be a quick and easy process, so let's get started. First, all you need to do is open your browser and then type in Notepad++. After that, go ahead and click on it and then select the first link that appears. Here you will see a list of downloads you can choose from. So simply choose the download you want to install. So click on it, then scroll down a little and click on the download button you see there. Now just give it a little time to download onto your computer. This should only take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Once it finishes downloading, go ahead and double click on the installer file. The installer window will then open up for you automatically. So just be patient for a moment while it loads. Once it appears, you can go ahead and select the language you prefer. Then click on OK to confirm your language choice. After that, simply click on the Next button. Next, you will need to click on I agree to accept the terms of service. Once you agree, click on Next again to continue. And after that, click on Next one more time. Here, you can choose whether or not you want to create a desktop shortcut. Once you decide, go ahead and click on Install. Now, the application will begin installing on your computer. After it finishes, it will open up automatically for you. So just wait for a moment, then click on Finish, and just like that, you are done. This was a step-by-step guide on how to install Notepad++ on Windows 11. I hope you found this video helpful. As always, thank you for watching.